everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating a fun spooky Halloween mani using two colors from Double Dip, and I'm really loving this hot pink vibrant color from Double Dip called Beach Bunny. Now it has more of a darker pink undertone to it, so it's more of a neon darker pink, and I really like that, and I think the name is super cute, and I think it pairs perfectly with this next one. It is a beautiful orange chunky glitter mixed with fine, and it also has some chunkies in it, and the chunkies are blue, pink, purple, green, yellow, and then there's some fun bat-shaped glitters in there that are pink and black, and it's just something about orange and that bright pink that are super good together, and I'm obsessed with it. And then we're going to be using medium stiletto jelly tips to create this mani. So we're going to start off by doing the glitter first, and then we're going to move on to Beach Bunny, and then I'm going to hand place a few bats. But when I'm curing the bat glitters on the nail, I use my little UV mini flashlight to cure it down because I wanted the wings to kind of still be up on the nail to kind of give it like a flight effect, and I really like the outcome of how the end result of the mani came. So I want to apologize for the upload schedule last week. It was a little wonky. I did end up in the hospital with some complications with my pregnancy, but the baby's doing good, I'm doing good, just some light bed rest, and we'll get through this journey together. But I really missed doing my manis and my uploads, so I'm really excited to get back on track. So for today's mani, we're just going to keep it simple. It's going to be a watch me do a press-on set. I filmed this before I ended up in the hospital, and I really was so bummed that I couldn't upload it for you prior to, and I'm really sorry about that upload schedule. So we will get back on track. Stay tuned. Tomorrow we are doing a fun breast cancer mani featuring a new dip company that I have not tried yet, so I'm really excited for that. And it will not be a press-on, it's going to be a regular mani. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.